This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LC26 is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 27 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 7, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, auxiliary battery, Skylight, stove top burner, smoke detector, TV, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LC26 is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.